Hey guys, Paradoxial here. Welcome back to a brand new video, everybody. This is part 14 of our Making a Discord Bot in Python series. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a customizable welcome card that will be server unique, and basically, if you don't know what I'm talking about, it's going to be a welcome embedder card that will be sent whenever a user joins the server. And yeah. We're going to be doing this using cogs and JSON files, and also another thing that we haven't talked about on this channel before, or this series I should say, and that is going to be command groups. Now basically a command group is a command that has a bunch of child or subcommands implemented into that command. So basically you have a parents command and a sub or child command behind it. That is basically as simple as I can explain it. So without further ado, let's actually get into coding this thing. So the first thing I want to do is obviously create our JSON file. So I'm going to do the same thing I always do, nest it into my cogs by making a JSON folder, and inside that folder we're going to do welcome.json. And in here, we're going to go ahead and just type in a set of curly braces. Sorry guys, excuse me. And after that, we are pretty much done. Now we need to make two events. And first thing we need to do is actually import JSON. Just set that. Now we need to make a onGuild join and remove event. So to do that, we are going to just type in client event on guild join guild, and just like that. Now we're going to type in a with open block. So with open cogs/json/welcome.json. And we're going to open it in reading mode, and we're going to label it as F. And after that, we are going to just go ahead and create a new variable, and we're going to call it data. And we're going to type in equals json.load F. Now we need to go ahead and create our data and our tables for our JSON file. So I'm going to type in data and an str.id. We're going to set it equal to a set of curly braces because we are going to be doing a bit of nesting in here. So I'm going to type in data str.id. Actually, just going to go ahead and paste this. And then channel. It's going to be none. And then I'm going to do the same thing again here. Did I not? Did I copy and paste that? Alright, there we go. And we're going to change this here to, what is it I want to change to? Oh yeah, message. And then this one's going to be roll, or auto roll. And then this one can be image URL. Excuse me. So just like that, we're pretty much done. Now I can just go ahead and copy and paste that with open statement, change this to W for writing mode, and I'm going to type in json.dump, and then data f, and it's going to be set to 4. Now just like that, we are done with our onGuild join event. Now we need to copy and paste it and change it to remove. And we are going to get rid of this. We're just going to type in data.pop str.guild.id. Just like that, we are now done with our main file. So basically what these two do, I've already explained it in my other videos, but these basically just append and remove from the JSON file depending on if your bot leaves or joins the server. So this is just a pretty good method for keeping your JSON file neat and clean and also small in file size. Not that it's going to get really big anyways because it's just text, but yeah. Anyways, that is just about it for our main file. We can go ahead and exit out of here and we can go to our cog that we're going to be working in. So after that, we're just going to go ahead and import JSON again. We can change this to welcome. And we can go ahead and change this to welcome.py. Excuse me guys, I've been having a cold recently, so yeah. Anyways, we're gonna go ahead and create our command group. So to create a command group, all we need to do is just type in at commands.group, just like that. We're going to give it a name, so the name is going to be welcome. And then we're going to type in invoke without command is going to be true, just like that. And I'm actually going to be making this where only administrators can run this command, so I'm going to type in command as permissions. I think it's how you do it. Let me check. Codes. I want to go to moderation. Commands has permissions. Yep. Alright, so I'm doing it right. And then we're going to type in administrator. It's going to be set to true. Excuse me. And that we can just go ahead and make our command just like normally. So async def welcome self ctx. And then we are going to, actually, no, we don't need to pass anything in there. And then we're going to have 4 commands inside our command group. So I want to create a small little embed. It's going to be similar to how we made our help embed last video, except not as big and just for this group only. So I'm going to just go ahead and create an embed here. So info embed. I'm going to say equal to display.embed. Title is going to be welcome setup, or welcome system setup. In description, create a unique welcome system for your server. In color, so I'm gonna make the color purple. So actually, let's do is there a teal? Yeah, let's do teal. Never done teal before. Let's try something new here. And then info embed.add underscore field name equals, and then this is going to be auto roll, and then description. Wait, not description, sorry. Value. I always get those two mixed up. Set an automatic roll, so when a user joins, they will receive it automatically. Alright. And then here we can just type in inline, and we can set it to false, because we want it to be read from top to bottom and not left to right. This is a like a list, I guess. Not the data type, but like a list in terms of reading, not a book. But anyways, so we got 4 commands here. I'm going to change this one obviously to message, and then set a message to be included in your welcome card. And then this one's going to be channel. Yep, so channel. Set a channel for your welcome card to send in. Now, I'm going to do a little thing where if the channel is set to none, it'll just DM the user the welcome embed. Yeah, in auto roll, what we're going to be doing here is we're just going to whoops, sorry guys, image URL. I'm just going to type in img. So set a image or GIF URL to be sent with the welcome card. Excuse me. And just like that, pretty much done. Now we can just go ahead and type in info or await x.send embed is equal to info embed. And then just like that, we are done. Now we need to make our 4 subcommands. Now I'm actually going to be doing this in a bit of a object-oriented manner. So up here I'm going to type in a with open block. So with open, was it cog /json /welcome .json, and then we're going to open it in reading mode, and we're going to label it as F, and we are going to type in self.data equal to json.load F, just like that. And great. So now what we're going to do is we are going to create our subcommands. So to do that, we are going to type in welcome.command, and then I think it's welcome.has, or no, it might be commands.has permission still. I thought it would be welcome.has permissions, but it should work. And then administrator is equal to true. I think that should work. And we can go ahead and create our command just like normal. So let's see, def, what was it, auto roll, and we're gonna pass in self, ctx, and then roll, roll, just like that. Now, what I'm going to type in is self.data, and then str ctx.field.id, and then auto roll. So if I go back to here, I think I called it auto roll. Yep. So self.data auto roll is going to be set to strroll.name, just like that. And we can type in with open log /json/welcome.json, and as F. And then we can go ahead and type in json.dump self.data, and then F, and then it's going to be 4. So I think just like that, we are pretty much done. Now you can add a little what you call it, a confirmation message to be sent into the channel, just telling you that the command was completed. I'm not really going to do that because it doesn't really matter to me. It's just for the video, so yeah. So I'm going to go ahead and copy and paste this 4 more times. Just like that. Didn't mean to close that though. So I'm going to change this to message. And then this is going to be the message. Now I'm going to type in MSG, just like that. Yep. Alright, we're good. So this one's going to be channel. So this one's going to be discord.channel, text channel, and then just like that. I'm going to change it to channel.name, and then change this here to channel. And yeah. Alright, so this one's going to be image URL. Or I'm just going to type in img. So this one's going to be image URL. I think that's what I called it. Yeah. Or no. Image URL spelled like that. Yep. And then we are going to change this to URL. And then I'm just going to set URL like that as a string. And yep, we're pretty much done here. I think I actually need to add an asterisk there. Yeah, just for that command. So we're pretty much done here. Now I need to run the bot and make sure everything is working correctly. Oh, wait a minute. I need to load this up in writing mode. I completely forgot about that. Sorry, guys. But yeah, so pretty much done there. The reason why I did this here in an object-oriented way is just so I don't have to copy and paste so much. If you want to use that async.io save method that I did in my level system up here, you can do that. However, I don't really think that would work well with this cog, because we're not dealing with levels, we're dealing with commands and stuff. However, if you want to try it out, you can. This is just my way of doing it. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and run the bot now, and theoretically everything should be running good, so no errors. Sick. Now I'm gonna go ahead and invite the bot to my server here. Now hopefully this should add to our JSON file. So we're going to invite it to our test server. Gonna authorize it real quick. And yep, so that's exactly what we want. Here's our server ID, and here's the values, like our channel message auto roll, all that good stuff. So we are good there. Now I can come back to Discord, and we'll go ahead and type in welcome, just like that. And as you can see, it's our instructions embed. So now if I go ahead and type in welcome auto roll, and I'm gonna copy the ID of my role here, just like that. Uh-oh. Alright, what happened here? Alright, maybe I can't do this. Whoops. Alright, so I'm gonna remove this here, because this isn't working, I don't think. So I'm gonna change all occurrences here. Just gonna type it in this data, just like that. And then data JSON.load f. And yep, so and then up here. Alright, I have a feeling that wasn't going to work, but I want to try it anyways. So I'm going to rerun this. Hopefully we don't have any errors. So I have it in read mode and write mode. Yep. Alright, we're fine. So now if I go ahead and run this command again and just go to that. Alright, so it did work. So what's the problem with doing it in object-oriented ways? Yeah, sorry about that, guys. I honestly thought doing that would work, but I guess not. Alright, so we're good now. Now I'm going to type in welcome channel, And I'm going to copy the ID of this channel here. So let's type that in. As you see, it sets our channel to that. And then I'm going to type in welcome message. And this is going to be hello, welcome to test server. Please read the rules, or type it, please be sure to read the rules and enjoy your fun here. Okay, we have another problem. And I think it might have something to do. Aha. Alright. I know why. I didn't put an asterisk there, guys. Sorry about that. Alright. So, just troubleshooting it a little bit now. Alright, let's run this command here again. There we go, that's a lot better. That's exactly what we want. Now I want to add a URL, so I want to just search up a tenor URL, so tenor. I'm going to type in welcome. Ooh, this one looks good. I want to open image in a new tab, and I'm just going to copy this URL right here, just like that. And then I can type in welcome, ing, and that's exactly what we want. So we are now done actually setting this up. Now we need to code it for it all to be sent. So, yeah. I'm gonna go ahead and close out Discord now and turn off the bot. Now we need to actually be able to send this embed. And to do that, we are going to create an event up here. So commands cog.listener, and this is going to be the sync def on member join. We'll pass himself and then member, just like that. And I'm going to go ahead and load everything in. So with open log/json/welcome.json. And I'm going to type in an R, because we are loading this up in reading mode. Just like that. And then we are going to type in data is equal to json.load f. There we go. So we have everything loaded here. Now, what we're going to do is I'm going to create an embed here. So welcome_embed is equal to discord.embed. Title is equal to an F string, and it's going to be welcome to, and then here is going to be member guild, can't spell today, name, and then put an exclamation point, and then description can be welcome to the server. You are member, and then we're gonna put like the count here, so type in a curly braces when member.guild.members. I think that's how we do it. I'm actually going to search up the documentation here, so discord.py docs, and I want to see if it's actually members. This is a really good thing for you guys to do, by the way, especially if you don't know much about discord.py. So if you guys ever need to look up anything, this is a very good way to do it. So let's see, attributes, member count. Okay, we want to use member count, but you can use len member.guild.members too, although it's actually just better to do member.guild.member_count. Alright, and there we go. Now we can add a color. So color is going to be Discord.color. Let's make it green. Or no, let's make it pink. Let's make it pink, guys. Everything's better in pink. Is that even a real method? No, apparently there is no pink. Alright, we'll just do purple. And then welcome embed.add field. And then name is going to be welcome to the server. And then value is going to be data str member.guild.id, and then here's going to be message, and then inline, it's going to be false. Now welcome embed.set image, sick. All right, and the URL is going to be data str member.guild.id, and then image URL. I think that's what it's called. Yep. I can just look in here. Yep. Image URL. Just like that, and then welcome embed dot set footer, and then you can make a text. Glad you joined. And then icon URL can be member.avatar. I think that's all we needed to do. Alright, sick. So now we're gonna do a couple of conditionals here. So if data, and then str member.guild.id, and I'm gonna type in channel. So is that what I called it? Yep. Is none. And then we are going to type in await member.send embed, which is welcome embed, elif data, just copy this here. So elif is not none, and we can go ahead and get the channel. So channel equal to discord.utils.get member.guild.channels, and then name is going to be data. Just here, let me get this list out of there. So data, and then I'm going to copy and paste this in there. Just like that. So member.guild.channels, awesome. And then we can go ahead and type in await channel.send embed is to embed, and I think we're done. Oh wait guys, I also want to give them the role. So I need to type in role discord.utils.get. Actually, should probably do this up here. So role is equal to discord.utils.get. Welcome, or auto role. Welcome channel. I want to make it just a bit better. There we go. .get, and then we'll pass in member.guild.roles. The name is going to be data str member.guild.id, and then here we're going to type in auto role. I think that is what we called it. Yep. And yeah, so now we need to give them a role. So await member add underscore roles, and then we can type in auto role. And been recording for 30 minutes so far. Yikes. All right, so we are good now, I think. So we send the embed with these two conditionals, and we give them the role. We've created the embed. I think we're done here. So if I go ahead and run this bot, make sure there is no errors. Awesome. All right, now I can go ahead and open up Discord. Now I'm going to log into my other account, and I'm going to give this a role real quick. And just like that, just so that way it'll actually give me the role and stuff. It needs permissions. So I'm going to go here, and I'm going to join the server. And as you can see, it sends us the welcome embed. So it said, welcome to the server you are member for. So it counts how many people are in there. It also gives us the role. And it gives us the message. So welcome to test server. Please be sure to read the rules and enjoy your time here. And there's the little embed. Now, I'm actually going to get out of here real quick because I want to show you guys how it would work if the channel is set to none. So I'm going to go ahead and kick my alt right now. Kick him out. There we go. Should shows a better GIF because the size is a little disproportionate, but oh well. So I'm gonna go ahead and execute the code, or not execute, but kill the code. And I'm going to change none. I'm going to change channel here to none. By the way, don't be editing your JSON file like this. It's not very safe, but I'm pretty good with JSON manipulation, so I do know what I'm doing here. But I don't recommend it at all. So now after that, if I go ahead and rerun this bot, and I'm going to switch accounts again, and theoretically it should send me the welcome embed, and it did. So this time it sent me it because it ran through these conditionals here, and the program found that the channel here was none or null, so it sent me the embed. And the first time I did this, it was not none, so it sent me the embed in that welcome channel. So just like that, you are pretty much done here. So yeah, and that's pretty much it for this video. So if you guys enjoyed, thank you so much for watching. We did code quite a bit today. We've coded about, what is it, about 130, 140 lines of code. So this is a pretty big video we did here. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed, please leave a comment below and tell me what you guys thought of this video. Smash that like button, and if you enjoy videos like this and would like to see more in the future, please hit that subscribe button. Helps me out a ton. We are almost to 200 subscribers, guys. Yeah. And if you need help with coding, if you happen to run into any errors and you are stuck, or you just simply want to hang out with me and over 100 other people, join my Discord server, guys. The link will be down in the description. And yeah. So that's about it for this video, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.